Hey friends, welcome back again to my channel. I'm Victoria. I'm a local real estate professional in North and South Carolina. Today I am touring a beautiful community here built by MI Home, hence why I have my colleague here. I'll let him introduce himself.
My name is Raleigh Masuniai. Hello everyone.
Yeah, so we are touring this community here in South Carolina called Bretagne. It's located in Indian Land, South Carolina, which is right on that border, really close to Charlotte, a few minutes away from Charlotte actually. So I'm going to pass it over to Raleigh to tell us a little bit about this home, about this community, and more also about his community.
That's right. Well guys, I'm so excited for you guys to take a look at what we've got going on here. We are in beautiful Indian Land. This is Bretagne. So many different floor plans. And the reason that we're here today, because this Blythe plan is one of the plans that we offer over in Wren Creek, all right? It is a up to 4,000 square foot home, 3-car garage, 5-bed, 4-bath. It's a 3-car garage, all right? You got one here, side load, one of them is front load as well, all right? And it's a unique plan that we've got. It's the only one that has that courtyard style, all right? So this is probably one of my most popular plans, and that's one of the reasons why.
All right, let's check it out. Thank you so much.
Come on in.
All right, so why don't you tell us a little bit about this entryway here, Raleigh?
This entryway, which is pretty common in some of the floor plans that we offer. All right, it's got the 2-story foyer. All right. Normally my ceilings are 9 foot on the first level. You're always going to get 9-foot ceilings on the second level. So you're looking at close to 20 feet here on the foyer. You walk directly into our dining room space. All right, which is nice, open, airy, tons of windows, lots of natural light coming through. Yeah. It's got the tray ceiling, which is a great touch, great finish, standard with our homes here, all right? So too, with some of the wainscoting that you're gonna see in your foyer space, all right? This has been decorated a little bit more, enhanced a little bit more, but the wainscoting comes standard in the foyer, also comes standard in your dining room as well.
As we move along here to the living space.
Right. That's right. It's a very, very open. It's an open concept, all right, but not your traditional style of open concept. It's a little bit more compartmentalized, all right, but still really open. You know, it's just a great space for family to.
I do like the little compartments because it does, because you know, like some people love the open concept, but they love their kitchen to be like tucked away and kind of private. That's right. And so this allows for that. Since I've talked about kitchen, why don't we head on over there and we'll talk about that.
These spaces are all about, I mean, this home it's about entertainment, right?
Of course.
Being able to do that. So, you know, you've got folks coming by the home, they're able to congregate in this living room space, all right, and have their own conversation there. You've got a whole nother situation going on here in the dining space. Of course, yeah. And you've got your kitchen, but it's open enough to where if you are the one that's manning the kitchen, you're not missing out on anything that's going on here.
Absolutely.
Right? So it's got fantastic flow going on in the home.
Absolutely.
Right?
I would say that, yeah.
So,
and then what's over here?
So back here, we have got your laundry room. All right, you've also got your drop zone, pantry, and then your garage entry for that 2-car side load garage. So that's the entry point there.
Okay, and your laundry is here.
That's right.
Okay, and then we just also have this closet here.
Here we go. Just a good amount of space there. So take a look at this pantry here. This pantry's got a great size, great space in it. All right, and then laundry room down on the end. All right, this one comes with it's got a laundry tub in there. That's an option for us. So too with this drop zone area here. Normally it would come within Wren Creek. Comes with a desk with cabinets right above.
Ah, okay, that's neat. Yeah. And so I know earlier when you and I were talking, you had a word for this, like, because it does look like they're cabinets, but it's not.
That's right. So this is an exposed side. Now this is an option, all right? So these are decorative end panels for our cabinets, all right? So it's just so that, you know, you got a cohesive look all throughout the entire kitchen. So when you select this package, you're gonna get them on the exposed sides, which is what this is. Not just on the uppers, but on the lowers.
On the lowers as well.
On the kitchen island as well.
Okay. Nice. Oh, I didn't even notice the microwave is here. I thought that was a microwave oven combo, but those are two ovens.
It's a double oven, which is an option with us.
And the microwave is here.
That's right. When you do that double oven, obviously we have to relocate that.
Right.
So, you know, so we got the.
Do you offer that in your community, Wren Creek, as well?
That.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a popular option with us.
I love it. Yeah, I would definitely choose that. Okay, and I think there's like a room down here.
We do. What normally would come as a study, and this would normally be a powder room, just a half bath. So when you convert the study into a bedroom, That half bath becomes a full bath, all right? And that's what we've done here.
You do have your closet space here too.
Yeah, I've got the closet space here. This is a great space for maybe mom and dad when they come to visit. You know, if stairs aren't an issue, they've got everything they need.
Absolutely, right here.
Exactly.
I love it.
Yeah. All right.
Let's check out more.
Want to see the backyard? Come on, get guys.
Oh goodness, it's a little chilly out here.
Chilly, all right. So we'll make this quick, all right. But yeah, this is our patio space. For Red Creek, this is an option here, all right. This covering, so too with the pavers there, all right. And as you look around you, I mean, Bretagne's known for its home sites, completely beautiful home sites. They've got half-acre, 1 acre home sites. Some are acre plus, all right. Tree-lined home sites. If you flip around, you can kind of see exactly how much space these home sites have.
Absolutely, it is gorgeous. And you have this option of the built-in fire pit?
We do.
Okay.
That's right. Okay, we also have a fire pit. We also have the barbecue grill.
The grill option.
That we can create as well.
Okay.
Okay.
Awesome. Well, let's check out the rest of the home together. Why don't you come join me up here, Raleigh?
Sure thing.
Okay, so we are now upstairs to this loft area here. What can you tell us about this space?
I can tell you that this space comes with all of our Blythe homes. This was that second living area, living space that this home comes with. So it's just a really, really nice feature, especially with all the open rails, all right? Getting a lot of light passing through here. So it's just a great space to hang out. You know, for everybody upstairs, we've got 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms up here, so it's nice space for everyone to hang.
Okay, and something I've noticed is there's not much carpet at all in this home. Is that standard? Can someone elect to not have carpet at all?
It can. It is an option.
Okay.
But it can be done.
Okay.
That's right. That's right. Okay.
I'll follow you.
Sure. This will start off in the master suite, which is amazing. Master suite is always going to come with a tray ceiling, right? Got 9-foot ceilings in here, but in that tray, we built the trays up, all right? So it's 10 feet in the tray, all right? This is a decorative piece, all right? This isn't something that MI Homes will do. We hired designers to come in, and they put this beautiful woodwork.
It's absolutely beautiful.
In this tray ceiling, and if this is something that you want to do, just let us know. We can put you in touch with a fantastic designer.
Does the built-in speakers, is that an option?
That's an option as well. Okay.
I love it.
All right. Then come on into the owner's bathroom.
This is so grand. Like, that's one thing I've noticed about you guys, that you have like 2 grand doors, entry doors almost everywhere. Imagine this, just opening up to your bathroom.
Right. Right. All right. So this is tons of space in here. Very, very spacious bathroom. It's one of our largest. All right, that we
It's
offer.
a very unique tile design.
That's right. And this is one of the plans that we have. There's enough space in this bathroom in order to do not just the tub and the shower, we can do the designer shower. We've got an enlarged shower here, which is what this option
The 2
is.
shower heads.
Yeah, designer shower with the full glass, and then you still get the tub here, all right? Fantastic space in your walk-in closet as well.
And your private toilet.
That's right.
It's a very nice size closet.
Very good space, yeah. That's right, all right? Double vanities here. Which are awesome, all right? So I'm gonna take you on over to one of the other bedrooms here, on the other side of the home. Now this is nice because it's a very large room. And it's got its own bathroom, it's got its own walk-in closet. So this is great for maybe, you know, the eldest child, or, you know, if you've got all boys and a girl, you know, or vice versa. You know, I mean, this is a great space for that child, you know. So tons of
The paneling in this home, it's beautiful.
It's wonderful what we're able to do here. All right. It's a good sized bathroom, right?
Absolutely, it is.
Got the tub shower combo. It's got the tile wall.
It's very
there.
good size.
We flip around here and take a look at this large walk-in closet. Let's take a look at the other 2 rooms. Plus our bonus room. All right. So this is the bonus room space. Now this is what makes this home 4,000 square feet. The base square footage on this home is about 3,600. So
at this
when you add
addition,
this bonus room space, you're at about 4,000 square feet. Now we are right above the family room. Right, that's where we are. So, one of the features.
So it encompasses all that. Wow,
that's right.
It's huge then.
Yeah. One of the great features about the Blythe is that 2-story family room, which is what a lot of folks like. So when you do this plan, when you select this plan, you do lose that 2-story family room, all right? But you still maintain that 9-foot ceiling down low. And we've got 9-foot ceilings up here as well.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a great space.
Now these, are these options, the built-in shelf, or?
They're not options that we offer.
But you can hire a designer, you were saying?
That's
okay.
Right, that's right. Pretty simple to do. Okay. And then right behind you, we've got, we got 2 bedrooms back here and 1 bath. All right, so there we go. Yeah. Significant space. Lots of natural light in here.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Natural light fanatic.
Some good closet space as well.
It does have really nice closet space.
And then on the flip side, we've got a similar room and a full bath up here. Another full bath, all right? So. As you can see, our designers have just completely went to town on this home.
Yeah. It's pretty evident, yeah.
It just shows so well.
So unique.
So well.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's beautiful. Thank you guys for taking a tour of this home with us. Remember, if you are interested in this community, Bretagne in South Carolina, or if you love this model and you're interested maybe in Wren Creek, which is in Waxhaw, North Carolina, which is where you will find Raleigh.
That's right. That's right.
I would love for you to reach out to me. You can send me an email at victoriabao@costellorei.com, and you can reach out to Raleigh directly at
It's rmasaniad@mihomes.com. She'll put a link in.
Yeah, and more information about how to get in contact with us will be provided in the description bar. When you do reach out to either one of us, be sure to let us know that you found us through this YouTube video. And I would also love you guys to go ahead and take the time now to hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button. What this does, it just allows more people to be able to find this video, learn more about North Carolina and South Carolina with ease. Remember guys, you can't lose with AO, and I will see you in the next video.
Thanks guys.